Next, welcome to next session, that is subtraction of a three-digit number with the borrowing. With the borrowing. How to do that? How to subtract with the borrowing? That first we have to learn. First example I will take. I will start with the two-digit number. And in subtraction, we can apply that subtraction method, either textbook method or Indian style. We call as a Indian style, that is a old style, Indian style. We can apply both. Okay, whichever you feel good, that you can apply. But when in examination they will ask in CBSE board examination, you have to follow the textbook method only. Textbook method only. In higher class, okay, they don't know in competitive examination they don't worry about that which method you are applying, but in this one you have to apply textbook method. Both the method I will teach. Both the method I will teach. First one here, before starting three digit, first I'll start with the two digit number. Subtraction of a two digit number with the borrowing. With borrowing. How? 85 minus 70. Here both the method I will teach. One is textbook method, another one is Indian style. Indian style. Some students are some they are solving according to that Indian style. Here in this case, in textbook method, what will happen? First, you have to see the upside number and downside number. Upside and compare. You have to compare the upside digit and downside digit. Which one is the biggest? If upside number is big, that time don't worry about that borrowing. Direct you can subtract. For example, I will take here one example. 87. Wait, just wait. I'll take here this side. 87 minus 16. See the difference. Here upside number is small, downside number is big. In this case, whatever you solved in a previous class, that is simple subtraction. How? You have 7 chocolate, you gave 6 chocolate to your friend. Already you have 7 chocolate. You gave, your friend asked you to 6 chocolate. You gave 6 chocolate. And remaining, how many chocolates are remaining with you? 1 chocolate. Yes, simple subtraction is that. 7 minus 6. We have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 line you have to draw. That is stick method. If you are applying this, 7 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is remaining. Yes. Now 8 minus 1. You have 8 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1 means 7. Simple subtraction. Here it will come as a simple subtraction without borrowing. Without borrowing. In this case, see here, 5 is that you have 5 chocolate. You have 5 chocolate, but your brother, your sister or your friend, they are asking 7 chocolate. Is it possible? You have 5 chocolate. Your friend is asking 7 chocolate. Is it possible to you give the 7 chocolate? Because you have 5 chocolate. Here 5 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Among these 7 you have to strike out. 7, how it is possible? Nothing. Here can't subtract that one. That time what you have to do? You will go to your parents and you will ask some chocolate. You will ask some chocolate. Then what they will do? They will give bundle. 10 chocolate bundle they give. From this 10th place, we are borrowing 10 chocolate. You have 5 chocolate, and from this 10th place, you are borrowing 10 chocolate. 10 chocolate. Then here 10 chocolate if you borrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 chocolate we borrow. 10 chocolate we borrowed. Yes. Now we can give 7 chocolate to them because we have 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 means 15 minus 7. You can do that one. Now we can subtract that 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolates are remaining with you. Yes. Once again I'll repeat. Here 5 we have. 5 we draw the sticks. Then downside number is big. In that case what we have to do? We have to borrow 10 chocolate from this 10. Then we borrow here. Now we have to strike out this subtraction we have to do. We gave 7 chocolate to them, 5 and this 2 among these 2. Then how many chocolates are remaining? 8 chocolates are remaining. We wrote 8. This is the first step over. Step you have to remember. Steps you have to remember. Now here in textbook method what we'll do? We will strike out this and we will write as 15. Why? Here 10 and 5. 10 and 5. 15 we wrote. Yes. And the next step you have to strike out this number also. Next number also. Either it is a 10th place or 100th place or 1000th place. Don't worry about that place. Don't worry about that place where it is. Only logic, simple tricks you have to remember. Which one? Whichever number if you write, strike out, if you wrote a new number, exactly next number you have to strike out. -1 you have to do. Why? Because this number gave, from this number we took 10 bundle. We took 10 bundle. Yes. 10 chocolate among these we gave. From this number he gave to us. Okay. So now 8 minus 1 means 7. 8 minus 1 means 7. Now new number came here, 15 and 7. 15 minus 7, 8. 7 minus 1. Now in this case what you have to do? Don't count this 8. Only have to consider upside number. What new number we wrote, that we have to consider here. 7 minus 1. this upside number minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. Yes. Now this is we called as a textbook method. This is what we are solving. It is according to textbook method. Textbook method. And now I'll come to that Indian style. Indian style. Here the process is same in Indian style also, but the method is different. Means here 17, instead of writing new number 15, what we will do, we will write 1 to the next number. If upside number is small, downside number is big, in that case we are considered as a 15 this one. Here 1 here. If I see this number 1 and 5, it become 15. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, not this one, downside 1. 1 and 5 means 15. Here also same, we wrote 15. Yes or no? 15. 1 and 5. Here also we wrote 15. 15, these two numbers, 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 means again 8. 8. Now in textbook method we strike out the next number and we wrote new number, that is 7, and we subtracted upside number to downside number. That is the case. In this case 8 minus 1, first we have to subtract this 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 means 7. Here I will write 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 means 7. Yes, again minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. 6. This is the difference between Indian style and textbook method. This is a textbook method and this is the Indian style. Whichever you feel good, comfortable for practice purpose, you can learn both. But whenever in examination we'll ask questions, subtract the number, you have to apply this method only. You have to write this method only. You have to solve this method, because we kept some mass 2 steps. If you wrote a direct answer, we will not consider. Here this is the method you have to apply in examination. In competitive examination you can apply this method. In competitive, if you want to sit any competitive examination, direct you can apply and you can solve that problems. I hope understood this one. Next I'll take to next number, second one. (64 minus 25). Here, first upside number is small, downside number is big. Then we have to strike out this number. Write here new number 14. Exactly next number, we have to strike out this number also. Minus 1 have to do. Yes, I am solving according to textbook method. Please remember. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. 9. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 means 3. Yes. This type we have to solve. Third one. 87 minus 28. Here also upside number 7 is there, strike out 17, and next number also have to strike out and write new number, that is 7. Now 17 minus 8, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 85 minus 36. Again you have to strike out this, write here 15, and strike out this number also, write here 7. First you have to strike out and write new numbers, then afterwards you can subtract. It is easy when you wrote new number and afterwards you can subtract that. Now you can subtract, simple. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 means 9 only. Yes. 7 minus 3. 49. Yes, today I'll give some homework, and you have to subtract with the borrowing. Subtract with the borrowing of 2-digit number. Today I will give only 2-digit number, then afterwards tomorrow I will start with the 3-digit number. Okay, and once again, have a nice day. Bye children. Bye bye.